It's science time. Science!
Why is there a winter storm coming for us?
As you all are beginning to be aware of, a winter storm is developing and coming for us. It'll impact almost every US state. They say that it'll disrupt technological pathways and cripple Christmas traveling this week. But why and how? It has to do with a cold front, which is a supposed extratropical cyclone as a front of cold air. A cold front forms when the line of cold air moves below the warm air. This can tend to manifest as storms, most likely snowstorms, as it results in the development of a low pressure area which pulls the air in and spins around. But why and how? This has to do with the jet stream, which is a fast, narrow air current that marks climates. Mediated by jet streams, as we already know, Earth has 3 different climates. Climate is periodic weather set in areas. The 3 different climates are tropical, temperate, and polar. At the central longitude is the Atlantic hurricane season is influenced by Earth's orbit around the Sun. During hurricane season, Earth turns its top toward the Sun using its axis. As a result, top temperate gets warmer. After hurricane season, Earth turns its bottom toward the Sun. As a result, bottom temperate warms up. It also has to do with the El Niño Southern Oscillation. During El Niño periods, the water in the tropical climate is warm. This energizes the winds over a few years to an extent. During La Niña periods, energized winds pulled the warm media away from the Americans and toward Asia, allowing cold media to move to the Americas over a few years. However, somehow, during hurricane season, this leads to induced condensation, leading to greater hurricanes. This can tend to allow the polar jet stream to move downward each generation to the extent as Florida, allowing greater cold fronts. So we're currently in a La Niña period. At least it's going to snow. Anyway, stay safe.